Hey YouTube. Alright y'all, so today I'm gonna head on the way to my local beauty supply store. Like I mentioned before in like my very first video, that you don't always have to buy expensive hair to look good. Well, this is about that time. I'm about to go to my beauty supply store, and it's the style that I want to do in my hair. It's the folk locks, bow locks, whatever the heck you want to call them. I can't never get this name. Folk locks slash goddess lock, boho, cocoa, whatever you know what I'm saying. So I'm actually about to show you guys like how I'm actually going to choose out like the style that I want, and how this hair is not even going to be over like $50, if it even reaches $50, because each pack of the hair at the beauty supply store, they cost, depending on what I get, they can be between $3.99, $9.99, but I'm trying to do long. Like, I've always been into long hair. It's the summertime. My natural hair ain't feeling this heat on top of this weed. I ain't got time for pressing out. I ain't got time for none of it. So I'm about to put some locks in my head. It's about that time. This is my first time trying it, but I know I can nail it. You know, it's all about confidence. You gotta have confidence in yourself. You gotta be able to know that you can achieve. You can believe and achieve. Okay, I'm just playing. No, you gotta believe in yourself. But I'm gonna try this style. It's actually, I'm gonna do the crochet version. I'm not gonna go do them singles by themselves, but I'm gonna actually do the crochet version, and hopefully they turn out the way that I'm looking forward for them to. So we're both gonna be in tune. So you'll see when I get to my local store. You'll see how I go through the hair and how I choose out what style I like. I'm gonna show you how you choose out your style, what you prefer in your hair. So stay tuned. It's so hot out here, y'all. Like, woo! Maybe that ain't what it is. Need a real boss in your coat. I need a girl like you, yeah. I need a girl like you. Maybe it's 6:45. Maybe I'm barely alive. Maybe you're taking my shit for the last time. Yeah. Maybe I know that I'm I gotta turn this up. Maybe I know you're the one. My bitch on here, y'all. I live the fucking car. You know it's like a fucking video. 19 years ago, I was dancing for dollars. No one's really rude if I let you be my mama. You don't want a girl like me, I'm too crazy. But every other girl you meet is too gazy. I'm sure them other girls were nice enough, but you need someone to spice it up. So who you gonna call? Cardi? Come and rev it up like a Harley. Why is the best food always forbidden? I'm coming to now doing 20 over the limit. The red light, stop. I don't play when it comes to my heart, let's get it done. I don't really want a white horse in a carriage. I'm thinking more white horses and carriage. I need you right here, cause every time you fall, I play with this kitty like you play with your guitar. Alright y'all, so I'm walking into the beauty supply store, as you can see. Hello. So you see how behind the wall they have all these different options. Y'all, I'm about to go boho. God, it's crazy in here. So, yeah. Oh, this is the one that I want with the curly ends. But I don't want that size. See, mine's got to be black. Mine's have to be black for sure. Oh, they got the black. No. And how long is this? This is an 18-inch. You see that? See the ends? I want the curly ends, and then I want the ones with the curly hair. So and that still ain't shit compared to paying for Brazilian weave and virgin hair. So this is good. Like, it's very cheap, and it's a summer look, a style that can last you for a while. You know, even if it look a little nappy, you know, it's still gonna look good because it's supposed to look locks. But I'm gonna do this. Like, I'm gonna get this hair. But see, actually, they're not like $3.99 in my beauty spot store, but you see how they're like $8.99, $7.99, and of course I'm gonna need like five packs, so it was gonna come up to like 8 times 5 is 40, so like about $40. Like, that's not even $50. That's what I'm saying, man. Y'all can achieve this look, like, for real. See how this one, I don't want this one, but this one's $7.99. See, it's for a 14-inch. See, but the longer the length, of course, is gonna cost more, and I like long hair, so I'm gonna be more so like an 18-20. So as you can see, the 18s are $8.99. So mine's maybe a little bit more, but that's okay. I'm gonna fund my hair. That's still not nothing. So this is how you shop cheap. Like, cheap hair is not always expensive for you to look good, man. I'm telling you, it don't matter what I have in my hair, I rock the best of it. So if y'all like what y'all see, comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned because I will be posting part 2 of the actual install. I'm so excited, y'all, but a little nervous at the same time. So check it out. Stay tuned. Part 2 coming soon.